Good morning and welcome to the KLZR Live Morning Show.
Today is Tuesday, October 30th, and I'm Raven.
And I'm Ari.
First, the weather for this week is that today will be rainy, cool, in the 40s. No rain for Halloween, but chilly temperatures only in the 40s, 50s, and 50s, with clouds all this week.
Now for our joke. Why didn't the zombie go to school?
Why?
Because he felt rotten.
On Wednesday, every class will have a big Halloween party. Before your party, you will have time to change into your costume, though it does have to be school appropriate, so no weapons or gore. Then, it will be time for your party. And remember to still think win-win so everyone has a fun time.
On Halloween, second graders will go trick-or-treat for UNICEF, and I hope you will too. Trick-or-treat for UNICEF involves taking a special container to collect money for people who don't have clean drinking water. We thank you for participating in Trick-or-Treat for UNICEF, and we wish you a happy Halloween.
Thanks. Now please welcome our magnificent math magician.
Hi, I'm Ari the Math Magician. Listen up for last week's winners and the new questions for this week. We always get a lot of answers from students who think they can decode the Math Magician. I selected 3 of the best answers from all the correct answers, looking for kids who showed their strategies and labeled their answers with units. Last week's kindergarten first grade winner is Avery from Mrs. Schutz's class with an answer of 90 slices of pizza. Last week's second and third grade winners Jonah May from Mrs. Passwin's class with an answer of 37 coins. Last week's 4th and 5th grade winner is Simon from Mrs. Berg's class with an answer of $15. Congratulations on showing your math skills. Come on down to the STEM room after the pledge to choose your prize. This week's kindergarten and first grade problem is Mason has 75 cookies. He wants to have 80 cookies. How many more cookies does Mason need? This week's second and third grade problem is Brady has 35 muffins. He gave 20 muffins to one friend and 2 muffins to another friend. How much muffins does Brady have left? This week's 4th and 5th grade problem is Carson gave 40 pieces of pie away to his friends. Each whole pie has 6 pieces. How many whole pies does Carson start with? Questions will be posted in the library. Write your answer, show your work, and be sure to label the units before you put your answer in the yellow box. See you next week and keep practicing your math skills, Lopez. We have 3 Halloween birthdays from our school. Dylan B. from Mr. Reyes' class, Junior from Mrs. Dero's class, and Kai from Mrs. Brennan's class. So tell them happy birthday tomorrow. Later this week is Telly from Mrs. Berg's class, Rowan from Mrs. Vanderslice's class, Elijah from Mrs. Sanderson's class, Brecken from Mrs. Shoemate's class, and Kylie from Mrs. Schuster's class.
Did you see your Square One art last Friday? You have 2 weeks to order cool stuff with your own art on it. And they make great gifts for your family. When your family orders Square One, you're thinking win-win by helping to make sure that we all have the art supplies we need at school.
Our pledge leaders today from Mrs. Hausman's class.
Hi, I'm Ainsley.
Hi, I'm Taylor.
Hi, I'm Dominic.
Hi, I'm Tristan.
Please
Stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please join us in saying our Lopez School mission statement.
We are
Leaders today, leading tomorrow.
That's all
For today
on Lopez News.